actually has puff on it. Where is it? Which one? The black one says puff? One of them. Life high? Oh, live life high. Or is that? That's just the white one. Okay, that's just the white one. This is Christmas Eve, and I'm wrapping it up, literally, and it's the end of the day. Possibly get on the road and deliver this stuff. Here, we gotta catch it on the other side. Push it through. Push. Oh, that's tough. From the inside, it doesn't look like there's any cord problems. Okay, I can even pull through a little bit more. Yes, this one needs to be tied down here. And it needs more space, as they all are going to. Drive my car around to three different towns to drop off the presents for my son and my sister and my son's dad. And the sun is out, but it's cold. I think that's what we got. And we lost all the snow cover. It's cold out. I haven't been out there yet, but I hear it's a little chilly. But warm for Christmas. So to make my Christmas joint supply. The Wonder Pie. More Wonder Pie. So 2 bags of Wonder Pie. Light. They're very light. But I'll have dab. I've got some in there that I add to stuff, but I think I'm really gonna run out of loose flour. I got Christmas brain. First. Merry Christmas! 4-inch ducting? I think it's 4-inch. To go with my 4-inch fan. Have you ever tried to swallow your medication with warm coffee? Just like lukewarm coffee? It's not easy. Just vitamins. Am I a human being yet? Yep, it's got a little clip on it. I didn't know what this was, so I've seen it a few times in my purse. I think I mistook it for a glasses case, but it was my microphone case, so I found them. I see it's getting buried in debris. It's been waiting too long. Covered it with a glove, one of my gloves. Santa's coming. What time is it? Midnight. It's Christmas, 12:30. I wish I had little jingle bells to ring or something. Play jingle bells. I have to go around to everybody's channels and see how their Christmases are. Some people are in flower right now. I've seen some pretty flowers out there. The perpetual grows. It's a bunch of people like that. I don't have any. I have to do that better. Get the perpetual grow so there's always something in flower. I think you need 3/10 for that to be realistically, yeah, like, that would be possible. 3/10, and then you do 3 plants at a time, 4 plants at a time. Right now, I think the law is still 6 plants per adult in the house. Doing a mic test, so just in case none of that worked, I'm saying Merry Christmas. All right, here's what I just recently did to fix a problem. I set up the larger humidifier on the outside of the tent, whereas I had this one inside. Now I have a larger one outside. hoist it up with that string and point it in different directions. It's connected to the controller. But looks like it's really putting out a lot of steam, and there's my heater now. The other problem is getting the heater out. I wish I had a way to pump heat in here without having this big thing. I feel like I gotta get more, even more off the floor. That didn't really help much at all. Bring that one downstairs and bring a little one up. It's like 66 degrees down here, so that might be the last thing I do. Power strip through the tent is dedicated to 123 fat buds. He told me to stop watering my outlets.